Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the form itself. Sign into your Google account and open Google Forms. Click the plus to create a new form, then name it and add a short description so respondents know purpose. Add your first questions using short answer or multiple choice. Mark required where needed. Once done, split long forms into sections to keep people engaged and apply a simple theme so it looks professional and readable on phones. Now you configure how responses behave. Open settings to collect emails if required, limit to one response if needed, and toggle who can access the form so privacy stays intact. Choose a response destination, like a Google Sheet, to view replies easily. Then click Send, pick the link icon, and shorten the URL so it's tidy. Make sure to preview the form on mobile once more to confirm layout and required prompts display correctly. You're ready to share. Open WhatsApp on your phone or web and select the chat or group. Paste the shortened form link and add a one-line call to action and deadline so recipients know why to open it. Send, then verify by tapping the link to ensure it opens correctly. If people report link blocking, regenerate the link with a new shortener or attach a QR code image as an alternative. One troubleshooting tip: if responses stop, check form permissions and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.